of YouTube's XYZ Oil. We're going to be unboxing HP Omen 25. And this is a 144 hertz monitor with a 1 millisecond response time. And it's about 25 inches from here to here. So why don't we start unboxing it? I got my handy dandy knife here. So now, open it up. Now it doesn't come with any cables, so be aware of that when you get it. It doesn't come with a power cable either. Alright, then I'm going to put it down on the bed. And we're going to see what it looks like. Alright, so here it is. This is our 144 hertz monitor. I thought it was HP. Alright. So this is our 144 hertz monitor. It's a little thick. It does not have DisplayPort or HDMI or anything like that. It actually has VGA. So if you have a VGA cable, this will work. You'll also need a power cable for it, and it has a weird connector, so good luck trying to find a power cable with that. Anyway, this is our HP Omen 25 unboxing.